three arms. This one, this one, this one. This is smaller in size. This is bigger in size. This is always in continuous motion, circular motion. This represents minute, and the one clock and the one arm which is in continuous circular motion, this represents simply seconds. So the pendulum which we are using for the measurement of a time simply works on the principle of what? Moving pendulum, moving bob. क्या होता है? We have got the bob. It is moving in continuous motion from mean position to extreme position, back to mean, back to extreme, back to mean. This is one rotation, and we call it to and fro motion. And from this process, we are able to measure extreme position from this point, extreme position this point up to this point, and here we get the time interval. One more thing, in measuring we have got the round clock, and this round clock is divided into 12 numbers. These 12 numbers simply represent the hours. There is further subdivision of 5 each. These represents minutes, and these 1, 1, 2, 3, these subdivisions are further divided into 5. These are called seconds. This is your what? Time and its measurement. Now one more apparatus which is used for measuring what? Time is watch. Watch is simply a device which gives us information about time, how to measure. Its basic principle is simple to same one which we are discussing. Simply आपके पास numbering है, you have got 3 and 9. These are the numbers. These are further divided. These represents hours. These represent minutes, and these represent the seconds. It has got 3 clocks. First represents hour clock, second represents minute clock, and third one, which is in continuous motion, it represents second clock. Same what we have discussed in the pendulum form. Only the principle is different, that mean position, extreme position, back to mean position, and extreme position, back to mean position. This is the main difference between your pendulum and the watch. Now another topic in it is measurement systems for measuring time. These are two. One is 12 hour, another is 24 hour. 12 hour means as soon as we reach the 12 hour, then the reverse counting starts. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ठीक, जो हमारा 24 का हावर का होता है, इसमें हम 1 to up to 24 काउंटिंग लेते हैं. ठीक, इसमें we are taking it 12:45, we are taking it 1:15, we are taking it 2:15, etc. These are the systems which we are measuring, which we are using for measuring the time. So in the today's lecture we have learned 3 things. First, what time is? Time is simply what? Interval between 2 events. ठीक, कोई भी इंटरवल जो 2 events के बीच में आ जाए, दिस इज टाइम. फिर दूसरी बात हमने सीखी, हम मेजर कैसे कर सकते हैं. हमने सिंपली पेंडुलम को उठाया, उसको मेजर किया फ्रॉम मीन पोजीशन टू एक्सट्रीम पोजीशन, एक्सट्रीम टू मीन, बैक टू एक्सट्रीम एंड देन मीन. दिस इज हाउ वी आर मेजरिंग. इसके बाद हमने उठाया था इसका बेसिक वर्क. इसके बेसिक वर्क में हमने सिंपली बोला था वी हैव गॉट द 12 नंबर्स, दीज रिप्रेजेंट हावर, देयर आर 5 lines, these represent the second minutes, and these personal 1 5 divisions, individual division represent second. It has one more thing, that it contains 3 arms. First arm represents hour, second arm represents minute, and the third arm, which is in continuous motion, represents the second. Thank you.